I'm in Ventura after a massive week-long windstorm. The plan today is to detect along the dunes to see if anything was exposed by the wind. I've had good luck doing that in the past. On the way to the dunes, first target 4748. Got it. Whoa. Lots of rocks. Oh, I see it. Corroded penny. That looks like a penny. Okay. Oh, I see it already. Penny. Anything else? Seashell. Very old style pull tab. That's a good sign. Upper 70s, maybe a dime. Heard something. No. Yes. Fine. These dunes are too trashy. Too many pieces of broken driftwood. Lots of rocks too. So I want to get to the other dunes in the distance there. 2728. Pretty. Let it be a nickel, the hardest coin to find. Alright. Or pull tab. I want the nickel though. Whoa. Hey. 79, 80. Probably a dime. Oh, it's in there. Try to get a good angle, so there. Yeah, I can't tell. I think it's a dime though. I'm starting to find targets here along this little ridge line. I don't know if it's a cut or the wind produced it, or I don't know, a combination of the waves and the wind. But let's see what else is there. Surface find. I see a coin. Is it a nickel? Oh, quarter. I think that's the cycle today. Wow. Another surface find. Red and white. Is it a bobber or a lure? It is. All plastic. No metal. I'll keep it. 59, 60. Little bouncy, but probably a zinkin. Hope I didn't lose it. Yes. A sign, another detectorist was here. That one's mine. I think he must have a mine lab too. Stable 59. Another penny. Yes. Another penny. And I heard multiple tones. Oh, I thought I did. $65, $64, another penny. Very strong signal. Got it. What's this? Aluminum. Oh no. It's old jewelry. I think this is silver. I have to check it out on the wrap-up. Only 2 feet away from the earring. 27, solid 27. A second nickel. I hardly ever find more than 1 or 2 in a session. It is another nickel. This is a good area. Not quite a coin spill, but a lot of targets. Low to mid 70s, but very strong. It's a screamer. There's a big rock in there too. It's usually dimes that scream like that, but this one's number was a little low. Yeah, it's a coin. Oh, just a penny. It's copper. Oh, a wheat cent. I can't quite see the date. Old eyeballs. So we'll check it out in the wrap-up. I see 2 women looking for something, but they don't have detectors. So that's the general area I want to go to. What are you looking for?
Flat oval rocks to do a design.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What are you looking for?
Anything metal.
Oh. Good luck.
Thank you. A lot of rocks wash up. They'll wash up in about a month or so over there, oval ones.
I always come here because it's the closest walking distance to the car.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you.
You too. Upper 70s. A lot of dimes around here. I want quarters. No, this is a dime. Just a corroded one. Here's a big log. Maybe someone sat and dropped something. 28, 29. This is probably a pull tab and not a nickel. Yes. And there's another signal, another tone. Much better. Low 60s. Oh, now it's getting bouncy. Maybe a penny. Yeah, some of these signals, they seem to go deeper with each scoop. I don't know if I'm pushing them down or there's actually I don't know, a misreading. That's a plastic spoon, so that's not the target. Oh, it was a pin. No wonder the signal was so weird. Gordon Cornett Dentist. Okay. $88. Finally, another quarter. I think this is my second one. Can hit 2 cycles. Oh, now the number's going down, so maybe it's not a quarter. I hope it's not that can. No, it's back to being a quarter. Okay, please be a quarter. Sure sounds like one. And it is. And I forgot there was a second signal here. 27, 28, 30. I would bet it's a pull tab over a nickel. Sometimes nickels read a little high. Pull tab. Strong, stable, mid-40s. Sometimes that's a silver ring or something like that. This one's a rock. Well, be a ring. Oh, I hear metal. Well, it's almost the right shape. It's the right color, but it's trash. Upper 70s. Penny or a dime. Oh, there's another target there. Yes, a penny. Another target. Likely another penny. Oh, I think this is a dime. Yeah. I'm in the right area. A lot of corroded stuff is coming up. There is no barrier on the beach side, the water side, but the inland side is fenced, so I don't know if I'm supposed to be up here. So I think I'm going to go down and check the base of the dunes. Upper 50s. I'm having a target rich day today, more than usual, but nothing valuable, just pennies and dimes. Speaking of which, another penny. Here's a weird one. Oh, it had no number, but it was making a noise. Now it says 57. 30. I don't know, bottle cap or a pull tab or a piece of a pull tab. Oh. Corona Premier. Mid 60s. Yet another penny. Well, I have to show the pennies or else there'd be nothing in the video. Penny, 2 pennies, 70. Still a little unusual sounding. Not like the other pennies. Oh, screw cap. Bud Ice. 28, 27. Nickel or a pull tab. Uh-oh, sounds like a coin. Yes, my 3rd nickel today. These are stored here in the off season so they don't wash away in the winter storms. And then they're moved back out to the water in the spring. 88, 89. Quarter. Let it be a quarter. Oh, that sound. The quarter sound. Okay, I'm done with the dunes and I'm going to walk back to the vehicle along the water and I'll detect for signals along the way. No signals at all in the wet. So, back to the vehicle. Let's take a quick look here before going back to the vehicle, which is over there. 60, that's not a penny though. Ow! That hurt my knee. Yow. I broke my knee in April and it healed in 3 months, but now it's starting to hurt again. Walking on the sand doesn't help. What is this? Some kind of game piece. Very interesting. About 5 feet away from that metal game piece, a similar signal and trace reading. Don't know if I can get it. Lots of rocks here. This is going to be my last dig for sure before packing up. Yes, and it is another one. What is this, Batman? Something similar. Well, now I have to check the area if there are any more. In 5 hours I found 3 quarters, 10 dimes, 3 nickels, and 16 pennies, hitting the cycle 3 times. 1 dime was a 1954D 90% silver. There was also a 1955D wheat penny. An old sterling silver earring was a welcome find. 2 lead figures were found a few feet apart near a bonfire site away from the dunes on the way back to parking. Thanks for watching to the end. Please like and subscribe. Your comments are welcome too. Until next time.